Dear all students, myself Dinesh Kote, Department Exam Coordinator from the SS Department. Today, I will give a short demo on how to fill that examination form. So before we start, it is better to fill this form using either PC or laptop for your convenience. You can use our 6504 or 6505 or 6503 lab for this. So first of all, you need to log in to your ERP portal. So the website is learner.pceterp.in. And just log into this portal. Once you log in, you need to click on the examination tab. Then you click on exam form. So here you will get the details about the examination form. So just click on next. So check all your courses on semester 1 and then just click on submit form. Let me click one more to submit. So here you get the total payment details. So the total payment is 3,500. So remember this payment is for semester 1 and semester 2. So just click on this. I have read and agree in terms and condition. Then click on pay by and benefits. Okay, so sometimes this payment will not be reflected in the browser. So in that case, you can try a different browser. Maybe try that Microsoft Edge browser or Mozilla browser. If this payment form is not reflected. So after this, you can do this payment by any mode. So let me do this payment by this QR code. So then just click on make payment for 3,500. So this QR code is generated. So let me scan this QR code. So here the most important step is okay. Once this payment or after making this payment, do not close or back this window until your receipt is generated. If in case if you click on back button or if you close this window, then your receipt will not be generated or the simple version payment not be received in the exam section. So it's very, very important that after this payment, do not close or back this window, okay, unless your receipt is generated. So I will show you that one. So let me do the payment first. So that is from my side, payment is done. Still, I need to wait. Here, do not close this window. Yes, so you can see here automatically this window will be closed and you will be redirected to the payment details. So here you can find your receipt. Okay, if in case your receipt is not generated, in that case, you need to visit the exam section. You need to show that payment details. Then manually from the exam section, your receipt will be generated, but it takes some time. So it's very important for all students that after payment, you need to wait 5 to 10 seconds until that receipt will be generated. So here you can check your receipt. This is your payment receipt. If you can save this payment details for future reference. Okay. So this is all from my side.